Ladies and gentlemen, a good afternoon to you. Nezuro, it was a buzzing. Thokozani Khupe has lost weight. Thokozani Khupe has lost weight on most social networks. And she had to address that before Matro's Atanga. So she actually said, I have a second cancer attack. I'm doing well. And many thanks to those already wishing me well. Together, we can beat cancer. She was diagnosed with cancer in 2011. It was breast cancer. Hey, yeah, Changira also died of cancer, did it? Yeah. So it was breast cancer and now it's back. But this did not stop her from going to their swearing in to Parliament Nezuro. She's such a strong woman. She used to be our Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister Mazua Achangirai. So guys, let's keep her in our prayers. And Tombo Mira Matros, anyway, Muna Wonda, Munadi, yo guys, people are actually going through stuff.